In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Calendar with someone who doesn't have a Google account. This can be incredibly useful if you need to schedule meetings or share important dates with colleagues, friends, or family who aren't using Google Calendar themselves. Let's start by opening Google Calendar. You'll want to be logged into your Google account already, so head over to calendar.google.com. Once there, you should see a list of your calendars on the left side of the screen. Hover over the calendar you're interested in sharing. Just move your mouse over it, and you'll see a three-dot menu icon appear on the right. Click that icon, and you'll get a drop-down menu. From there, opt for Settings and Sharing. This is where you'll adjust how your calendar is shared with others. After clicking into Settings and Sharing, scroll down until you spot Access Permissions for Events. This is a crucial part of the process. You'll see an option labeled Make Available to Public. Checking this box will make your calendar viewable by anyone with the link. When you do this, a pop-up window will appear. It's basically a warning letting you know that doing so allows potentially anyone with the link to access your calendar. Click OK to confirm that you're aware of this and that you wish to proceed. At this point, you'll see a choice between See Only Free Busy and See All Event Details. If you choose See Only Free Busy, people with the link will see whether you're available or not, without any extra details. On the other hand, selecting See All Event Details will mean that viewers can see the titles, locations, and descriptions of your calendar events. Choose the option that suits your needs better. Now that you've decided how much information you'd like to share, click on Get Shareable Link just above these options. This provides you with a link that you can copy. Once you have that link copied, it's simply a matter of sharing it with whoever needs access. You can send this link via email, text message, or any medium you prefer. It's as easy as pasting it into your chosen communication platform and hitting send. When your recipient receives this link, they'll be able to see your calendar as per the permissions you set, even if they're not Google users. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've opened up your calendar to non-Google users seamlessly, ensuring that communication and scheduling are as straightforward and accessible as possible. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.